Tibetan. I am Tibetan, I am Tibetan. For over 70 years they tried to silence our voices, erase our language, bury our culture and break our identity. But they failed. Because a nation lives not only in its land, but in its people. 170 Dedengs turned their own bodies into flames, not for hatred, not for revenge, but for freedom, truth, for Tibet. We ask for no special privilege, only what every person deserves. The right to speak our language, to practice our faith, to protect our culture, and to live with dignity. To the world, hear our voice. Do not let Tibet be forgotten. I am Tibetan. I was born Tibetan. I will live as a Tibetan. And I will die a Tibetan.
Language is our soul. A language is more than words we said. Carries our memories day by day. A people without their language and song are like wings clipped, unable to fly strong. Across the mountains of Tibet we hear a fading voice, a growing fear. When children lose the word that went past, will their culture forever last? Let every language live and grow, like rivers that forever flow. For when one language disappears, humanity loses a precious life. Let every language live and grow, like rivers that forever flow. For when one language disappears, humanity loses a precious life.